So I have a sweetheart of a video for Valentine's Day. So using the Roku Spectrum app, if you on your universal remote hit the exit button, that's the same as hitting the back button on the Roku remote, then that will give us this option on screen, and we want to go over to guide. And then in the guide you can sort through the channel numbers, etc., and change your filters. But when you're on a particular station that you would like, as opposed to the actual content, but on the actual station, then you can use the OK button to establish it as a favorite or remove it from the favorite list. So if I click on OK now, then the heart will no longer be full. But if I click it again, then I will fill the heart icon up. And the same thing would true. You could just roll through these, you know, if you want.
9, yeah, 5, 9, and 12, I think.
Wow.
It keeps skipping.
Yeah, I might have to take that off.
There you go. Box.
You ever watch the Spectrum News channel, Channel 1?
Yeah, sometimes.
Well, it comes up automatically.
Yeah.
So when you fire it up, that's what comes up.
Like Ohio News.
And then ESPN, ESPN2, and all the
Right.
sports.
Which we can get to down here.
So it'd be 30.
26, I believe.
It's 30.
Is it 30? Oh, Cincinnati. Yeah.
31.
30, 31.
I was on the content instead of the guide that time. So again, if I back up a little here, if I hit exit on the remote control, it's the same as the back arrow, go over to guide. Since I'm already on ESPN, it'll be there. Go to the actual channel icon, hit OK, it adds it to my favorites. And are there any other stations you would like to have added to this list?
31, ESPN2.
And then I like 10, Channel 10, it's like headline news.
$32, you said?
No, 10.
10.
10. Oh, okay. Now, this takes a little bit of effort on your part at the outset to get this established. But regrettably, this is necessary for each device you use the Spectrum app on. And you can have a different list per device.
Okay.
So if you only have 3 channels you like to watch when you're in the exercise room, you may only need to establish 3 favorites. But down here, you might have more channels because you watch more things in this room.
Right.
So, yeah, we got that one. All right. Well, that's a good start. You can add and take away from that list as you see fit. And then up in the upper left corner of the television, you'll see filters. So if I hit the left-hand arrow, that will take me to the filters, and I can sort by favorites by scrolling down and selecting on that. Then it's just going to give me the stations that I've established.
Okay. Okay.
And because it knows that there are different feeds for headline news, it just automatically added them in there. And there are 2 different versions. It doesn't matter if you use 1009 or 9, it's the same high def content.
I don't know why they still have the 2.
Because they've never bothered eliminating them.
Analog and high
Right,
def. Now
right.
they're one and the same, so I don't get it.
So that is how you navigate your Spectrum app.